Good morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, soybeans are up 10 cents, soybean oil's up a penny, meal's about unchanged, Chicago corn, May up 5, wheat up 12 in Chicago. Stock market looks a little easier, dollar a little lower, while crude is up almost $5 a barrel. The big news over the weekend was that OPEC announced unexpected cut in production. So we've got now the high overnight was almost $82 a barrel. Right now we're at 80. As far as the grains are concerned, follow through from Friday's USDA report. Lower bean stocks, March 1, lower acres, supporting the soybean market above the $15 level. We also noted Hightower did a really good job in their weekly newsletter, pointing out that there's been 5 years in which stocks to usage ratio has been tighter than this year. 4 of those 5 years, the July-November bean spread continued July gaining over November. Mostly in the plus 250 area, but there was 1 year in 1972 in which we were plus $5. I don't think anybody expects that to happen because I don't think we're going to see the Chinese demand, nor you have a record Brazil soybean crop that you have to deal with. But then again, the spread could gain more because of the tight U.S. stocks. Corn was kind of a mixed bag. The lower stocks number is supporting the nearby May, trading right now at around 667. We'll see if the market can test that 680 level, which has been strong resistance. In the December corn, we're at 571, and some people think that acres eventually will be lower and that we have to watch the weather to see if the market trades higher. And the wheat market, we've got Chicago at $7 and May KC almost at $9. And again, spring wheat's up because of lower acres, continued dryness in the southern plains, and I think that the wheat is trying to keep up in Chicago with the higher corn market. Outside markets, again, crude's up, and that's probably something that we have to watch pretty closely from an inflation standpoint. The market has been trading that the Fed may not have to increase interest rates as much, and also down the road that they might decide that the bank crisis is something that might be more important than cyclical or certain areas of inflation. So again, from a weather standpoint, South America, Brazil's a little dry. It should see some rains later on for the safrinha corn crop. Argentina weather is mostly back to normal. Here in the U.S., Southern Plains is dry. I think that after this weekend, or at least this rain event over the next 3 or 4 days, the Midwest could start drying out. Northern Plains could also see just a tad warmer weather, maybe a little less rain, but that could cause the melt of the snow and some flooding.